Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how software bot will going to perform the end-to-end automation. This is the bot executable file which will going to perform the automation. Let's run the bot by double-clicking the exe file. As we can see that bot started performing. And also we can see that Excel file is opened, which contain all the configuration data. It will going to read the Excel sheet and perform the operations. Also it will going to log the process status of the bot in the Excel process log sheet. Now it will going to start the application and perform the operations. It will going to log in into the application with username and password, which is mentioned in the login user sheet of Excel file. As we can see that it was successfully logged in into the application without any issue. It will going to open the menu options and start the report for further operations. As we can see the ARAP report has been started properly. Now it will going to fill all the necessary details, which are mentioned in the Excel configuration file. As we can see that bot is performing the report operations very smoothly without any issue. Now it will going to click on Generate button to generate the report. Now it will going to enter the full file path and also file name as per the reports with current date and time format. And click on Save button to save the file. Once we click on Save button, report will start downloading on the destination folder. Once the reports will download, it will going to display all the reports with their file name. As we can see that bot able to download all the reports successfully. Now bot will going to log out from the application and also going to close the application. It will going to update the process log into the Excel sheet and also save and close the Excel configuration file. Now let's check the generated reports in the downloaded folder. As we can see that all the 3 generated reports are present inside the folder. Thank you for watching this video.